Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So I'm just gonna jump right into the video. I'm going to be styling my hair in a wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go for a while, so I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics pomegranate leave-in conditioner, and I already applied that to my hair. And I'm going to be using Eco Styler Argon Gel. So I was going to use a different leave-in. I was going to use the Paul Mitchell. That's not moisturizing enough. So I've never done this wash and go since I cut my hair. Here's my hair. It's growing in nicely, but I fear it's because I have not done a wash and go. Like, I haven't done a wash and go in months, you guys. So yeah. I also applied some almond oil for my sealant, and I've already done that. So I just bought a little jar of the Argon Gel, and we're just gonna get right into it. And let's just like chat. You probably can hear my fan in the back because it's hot in my house. My toddler is also sleeping, but I have not been like doing my hair. I've been like mostly focusing on growing it out and not really enjoying it, so that's why. And I also don't feel quite comfortable nowadays wearing my short curly hair for some reason. I think it's because when you don't wear your hair short for a while and then it's short, you just feel some kind of way about it. Like, you don't feel your best self, which is crazy. I have water in here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the water. And it's sopping wet. It's pretty wet. I hope you guys can see this clearly. It's pretty wet. And I'm on here for real life. There's no aesthetic here. I took one blob of the gel and I'm going to apply it on this section. And smooth it on. I'm trying to find the best technique for my hair. Let me scoot up a little tiny bit, y'all. I'm on this tiny little stool. Okay. But like I said, I wasn't gonna film, but like I feel horrible not filming for you guys. Like, it's crazy. Let me see, just a slight bit more. I'll get my business, y'all. So y'all know the deal. I'm gonna go ahead and section this and define it. But with all the clips that you do have, how many do you not have right now? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use my diamond brush to go ahead and brush my hair. The hair is growing so nicely, you guys. Is to roots. You want to really smooth your roots as well. I'm just tapping and like kind of clumping my hair. Usually for the bottom of my hair, I don't really do this, but it's okay because it's just gonna shrink up. Like, girl. What even is this shrunken hair? Shrunken hair is good hair though. So I'll just apply a little bit more right here. And I'm splitting it into sections like this because you want to really define your hair so it can last a while. Like, I'm coming straight off of cooking, cleaning, putting my toddler down to sleep. He is not a napper. He's my first child who doesn't want to nap. So that's always a challenge to like kind of get him down. And he's literally tired. Like, his body is tired, his eyes are tired, and he literally says, I'm not sleeping on. And so I have to like rock him to sleep still. He's 2 now. You guys are wondering. He's 2. And I'm so grateful to God for just blessing me with motherhood. It's just my greatest blessing. It's my greatest blessing, honestly, and blessing me with an amazing husband. Yeah, it's just, I'm just grateful. So just shringling and letting my hair, I have to say, like, I love the way this leave-in smells. However, it doesn't do anything. Like when your hair dries, it's extremely soft, but as far as like moisture, and it doesn't do anything to my hair. It doesn't do anything to my hair. And so I don't know what that vibe is about, but yeah, I don't really enjoy it. So I don't know if I'll be getting it again because it just smells good. That's literally, it just smells good. So I'm putting gel all over the section of hair. And then kind of like let it clump, and then I'm going to define it. So tips for a great wash and go. If you guys don't know, I'm OG like YouTuber. I know I don't be on this internet because life is lifing and I love it. However, I don't always set up the proper time to be filming, which I should do better because I love my channel as well, and I love my supporters as well. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, so the key to a good wash and go, healthy hair, of course. Like if your curls are transitioning and, or if your curls are not like thoroughly hydrated, like they're not healthy from the within, your wash and go will not come out good. It just won't. And that's just the truth. Also, accepting your hair, like how your hair curls, like my hair in the back shorts up, like I got a bob cut, undercut, excuse me. It'll grow out as my hair gets longer, but you know, in the meantime, it shrinks up. So you want to accept your hair and do what you can with it. Like there are clip-ins and wigs and all of that stuff to, if you want to make it fuller in the meantime, or you can do updo styles to help you, you know, while you transition, or twist outs and braid outs. Twist outs and braid outs for me, they're always like a hit or miss, and that's a lot of work to put in to braiding and twisting your hair for it to come out like crap. So I haven't perfected that, I would say. So cleaning it, detangling it, and all those things so that you can have a good style that'll last you for some time. My wash and go, because I stretch it and I have yet to find like a great nighttime routine, it'll probably last me for 4 days. Some people can go a week, and also I think it's because my hair is not all the way used to wearing wash and goes. Like if your hair is used to it, it's gonna last you. But if it's not used to it, it's gonna be asking for moisture or for conditioning or whatever necessary. Basically moisture. That's why it gets frizzy in a few days or so. So yeah, after I had my baby, I straightened my hair, and then I got foot damage. And y'all know how foot damage work. Plus postpartum shedding. Girl, give me the scissors right now. Give me the scissors right now. Because there's no way for your hair to curl and it's shedding like a net, like it's shedding like crazy. So that was that dilemma. Then I called myself blow drying for a protective style, and I got heat damage again. Like, girl, leave the heat alone. It's just improper protection is what I thought I was doing improperly. And also, like, sometimes even if you prepare your hair as much as you can, you still can get heat damage. Okay, you can still get a little damage. And also depends on like how often you are, you know, heating your hair. So I had to cut it again. So I cut it last year in May, and then I cut it again this year in April or May again. The whole year. Just girl, leave your hair long. If you want to, just put a wig on. Put on some clip-ins or something. Leave it alone. If you want healthy, long hair, do what you will, except that it's short or that it's coily or whatever. And just leave it alone. That's what I come to learn. Like, do what's best for your hair. If you guys see me spraying my hair, it's because it's gonna aid in malleable. It's gonna make my hair more malleable. Like, I'm not going to be ripping through dry hair. When people say like wet hair for wash and go, I think it's because it's easier to move your hair around. It's easier to, you know, clump your curls together rather than ripping through your hair and breaking your hair off. And that's what I've come to learn. Like, listen to your hair. Like, respect your hair and listen to your hair. I know it doesn't sound like, it sounds like it's not so serious, like it's just hair. But if you want healthy hair, you have to respect it. You have to learn it. You have to understand it. And that's how you're gonna grow healthy hair. And like, yeah, like you do with your body, the inside of your body, you know, you take care of it, you eat good, and you exercise to maintain it. Your hair is its own different entity. Take care of it as well, you know. And I think I'm gonna do a side part. Shall we do a deep side? Yeah. It's like, love your hair. Love your hair. I love you, hair. I appreciate you, hair. You know, thank you for covering my scalp. Thank you for making me feel nicer, or, you know, pretty, or allowing me to express myself in different ways. You know, just, that's how you will grow healthier hair, by appreciating it, loving it. And I have not always done that. It's only when you lose it, like it gets damaged, it's when you appreciate it. And let's stop doing that. Let's appreciate it every step of the way. Every step of the way. Okay. I have to say, I'm loving this combo so far, y'all. Be careful. Let me brush. I should have did my side part early on. My side part early on, but I was torn on if I wanted it or not. But here we are. We do want it. Like, y'all, I have curls. What?